Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In my previous video I installed two small heatsinks on the memory chip and the USB controller. So I was able to feel that they did warm up. So the heat transfer tape, I assume, is working properly. So I'm going to keep the heatsinks, and today I'm going to install the Raspberry Pi 4 in the FLIRC case. So it comes with heat transfer tape for the CPU. So I'll try to just take off the plastic here and then apply it on the CPU. Now we take off the plastic from this side. It's also clear plastic. And as you can see, I removed the micro SD card, and now we have to make sure that things are aligned properly. That is not going as easy as I hoped it would be. So I'm wondering which side is the best way to try to put it in. Probably these ports now are properly aligned, and I assume these ports are also properly aligned. So now I'm going to press on it, and well, looks like the thermal tape is sticking. So now we put the bottom cover there, and I'm going to put in the screws. So let's see if we can put in the micro SD card. That works. And just as a test, I'm going to put in something in the USB port, and also Ethernet port also works. Another USB, that works. And let's see, this is like power also. So that was the installation, and I'm going to investigate to overclock the Raspberry Pi 4. That's probably going to be my next video. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.